Hello students, today we will discuss properties of complex numbers. A very first property that we will discuss is that iota into y is same as y into iota. So iota multiplied by y will give us y into iota. So to prove this property, we will try to prove that for a complex number z, which is x plus iota y, the same number can be written in the form x plus y iota. The two complex numbers are equal. For this we are starting with value of z. Here what is z? Z is x plus iota y. So this x plus iota y can be written as x 0 plus 0 y, because adding these two will give us x y na. Addition of two complex numbers or addition of two pairs is a real part, or the first component is added to the first component and the second component is added to the second component. So x plus 0 will give us x and 0 plus y will give us y. So this z can be written as x0 plus 0y. So we are writing here 1 in additional. Okay? So x y is x0 plus 0y. We may also write it as 0 1 because multiplication of these two will give us 0y. How do we multiply these two? What is the multiplication of these if we perform? Multiplication was x1 into x2 minus of y1 into y2, 1 into 0. Then was x1 into y2, that is 0, and x2 into y1, that is equal to plus 1. So this will give us 0 comma y, 0 comma y. So this is same as writing the 0 comma y. So we have written 0 comma y in this form, and remember that iota was written as 0 plus 1 iota, that is 0 1. So this can rewritten as iota, and this is what? This is a value of adding all these. This will again give us that z is x plus iota y. We will add this because this number is same as 0 y na. And if we add, what is all this? This is just a recollecting all things. Okay? So this number has become x, this is iota, and this is the value of y. So adding up we will get x plus iota y. And rewriting this, that z is x0 and 0y. Now we are writing 1 at the other place. Again the multiplication give us 0y. So this number can be written as x, this is 0y and this is iota. Adding up these numbers we will get that x plus y iota. How we are adding this? इस सी iota लगाया है ना. This number can be rewritten as that x0 plus iota of y0. Multiplying by iota we will get x0 plus iota y, and iota into 0 will be equal to 0. Now adding the first part in the first part we will get x plus iota y. Rewriting. Similarly the other expression can be written. So the next property that we will discuss is additive inverse. Additive inverse of any number is, if z is a number, what will be the additive inverse of z? Another number. The addition of the two numbers must be equal to the identity of addition. So identity of addition is what? A complex number 0. 0 is the identity. If we add 0 to any complex number, we are again getting the same complex number. Either we add the 0 in the previous place or in the post place, or we may have this type of a result, that 0 plus z is always z is equal to z plus 0. So 0 is also a complex number. Remember that every real number is a complex number. Every real number can be written as, for example 2 can be written as 2 plus 0 iota. So 0 is also a complex number because 0 can be written as 0 plus 0 iota. So since 0 belongs to the complex number, and for every complex number if we add 0 to that complex number we are getting the same number, this means 0 is a additive identity for the complex numbers. And if we are adding two complex numbers and we are getting the identity of complex numbers, then that number is known as the additive inverse. So for example, I have 2 plus 3 iota. What should I add into this so that the answer is equal to 0? It is a negative of this number. I must add minus 2 minus 3 iota, and we will add the real number into the real part and the imaginary into the imaginary. It will cancel out and will give us 0. So if z is a given number, the additive inverse will be the minus of z. So what is a multiplicative inverse? For the multiplicative inverse, first we should know what is a multiplicative identity. So if we multiply any number by 1, okay, we take any complex number and we are multiplying that number by 1, then we are getting the same answer. This means 1 is the additive, 1 is a multiplicative identity. For addition, 0 is the identity, and for multiplication, 1 is identity. We may again take example of any number. Suppose we have taken 2 plus 3 iota. 2 plus 3 iota into 1 is same number, is 2 into 1 into 3 iota. So this number is a multiplicative identity. And what will be a multiplicative inverse? So suppose that z is some number, this is number z, and we are multiplying z by some other complex number a plus iota b. If the product of two numbers is coming out to be multiplicative identity, then the two numbers are known as inverse of each other. I will reiterate that if z into some other number z1 is equal to 1 and z1 into z is again equal to 1, this means that z1 is a inverse of z and z is a inverse of z1. z1 is a multiplicative inverse because we are multiplying these and getting the identity of multiplication. Okay. So how we can find this the inverse of these number? So for finding the inverse, what we have performed, x plus iota y a plus iota b is equal to 1. This is a definition, and we want to find the value of a and b. So we have just multiplied the factors. And what is the rule of multiplication? Remember that it is x1 x2 minus y1 y2 and minus x1 x2 minus of iota square y into b. And what is iota square? Is again minus 1, so we are getting ax plus by and the ax plus by. So remember here, before applying this rule, we must have written these numbers in the form of x comma y and a comma b. And if we are using the direct multiplication, then we will not use the rule. For the direct multiplication, अगर ਅਸੀਂ directly multiply कर रहे हैं, then we must have a x into a x into iota b, a into y iota and iota y into iota b. And अगर ਅਸੀਂ rule apply करना है, we have to perform the rule, then we must write these x plus iota y as a ordered pair, x comma y and a comma b. Then we will get this if we apply rule. देखो x 1 into x2 minus of y1 into y2, and the other factor will be x1 into y2 plus x2 into y1. And then we will equate real and imaginary parts. 1 can be written as 1 plus 0 iota. So what is the real part here? 1. And what is the imaginary part here? 0. So solving these equations for the value of x and y. How to solve these equations for the value of x and y? You have to equate the coefficients. You have to make these coefficients similar by multiplying these equation with a, multiplying these equation with b and subtracting. So we may achieve the value of a and b. So this is the value of a and this is the value of b. This means that what is the inverse of a complex number z? We denote it by z inverse, and the value is a plus iota b. We may also write it as ordered pair. This inverse can be written as a comma b also. So what is inverse? Is x upon x square plus y square and minus y upon x square plus y square.